Hello everyone, it's with immense pleasure that I would like to tell that I have cleared my theory exam of the Italian Patente driving license, and I cleared this in no time thanks to Ambrish sir. His techniques and his classes have really helped me clear these exams in no time. In fact, when I started off learning for this exam individually, I was struggling. I did not understand even a single word. But thanks to him, he made us understand the law and also made sure that these Italian questions are just not as hard as we think it is. It's very simple. You can understand the meaning along with having fun with your colleagues and everything. I would definitely suggest please attend this class if you want to get your Italian driving license, and that's the first step that you can ever think of. And attending his class will make it much easier for you to clear each and every questions. And I cleared them with 0 errors. I never expected that. In the beginning, I was constantly making around 15-16 errors, and to clear with 0 errors, it's just amazing, and it's all thanks to this class. I would recommend everyone, whoever has the intention of getting their Italian driving license, please do attend his class, and he will be all the way throughout your entire course of getting the license. His assistance is always going to be there in any way possible. He'll attend to your calls, he'll attend to your messages, everything. And yes, good luck in getting your driving license. Okay, ciao ciao.